Hey there, JVs. Welcome to Traffic Thor. My name is Alazani. I and Kieran have put together an outstanding training program called Traffic Thor. With this Traffic Thor, we will be using LinkedIn as a platform, okay, to drive traffic straight to your links. Okay, so LinkedIn is basically got 3 times more conversation than Twitter and Facebook. Also, LinkedIn has got 80% more leads than Twitter and Facebook. So basically, LinkedIn is a very good platform to get your leads. Okay, so let me go through the funnel with you guys. You'll be making probably about $250 per sale. The front end's 100% commission, and the other OTOs are basically 50% commission, guys. The front end is the Traffic Thor system, which you'll be show you how to get passively earn money as an affiliate to product creator or service provider, where you'll learn how to reignite your existing Warrior Plus and JV Zoo links to get $100 plus paydays. And the Traffic Thor Pro is $37, 50% commission. The Traffic Thor Pro version is a done for you package that makes Traffic Thor 20 times more powerful and effective. Therefore, users of the Pro package will automatically increase their earnings potentially. And the OTO2 is the done for you campaign, which is $47, 50% commission. You'll be getting hold of 10 hot sellings done for you campaigns. Okay, and the OTO3 is the bonus giveaway, right? So we will be giving this as a bonus, this product Traffic Thor. We'll be giving this product as a bonus for you guys to use as your bonus when you promote your next product. Okay, and the OTO4 is a one-on-one coaching. So me and Kieran, I'm in the UK, Kieran is in London, and basically Kieran's in India, sorry. Basically, we got different times, so he will be using his time and I'll be using my time, and basically it'll be like 20 hours a day support for anyone that needs help with the Traffic Thor system. And the OTO5 is the reseller rights, which is $147, 50% commission. And basically, you'll have 100% commissions through the whole funnel. This product will give you an earning of 100% commission through the whole funnel. Okay, so let me talk to you a little bit about Traffic Thor and what it does. Traffic Thor teaches you how to get an unlimited amount of traffic to your sites, blogs, and offers using a little used and mostly overlooked technique with a twist. Okay, it creates a steady stream of passive income. It only requires a few minutes of simple work per day. So 100% newbie friendly, 20 minutes daily method, and you can work whenever you want, wherever you want. Okay, so basically, guys, look, with this method, you have to be 100% consistent. If you don't be 100% consistent, then it's not going to work. It's like, say, for example, they do say money grows on trees, for example, say, yeah? You still need soil for the foundation, and you still need the plant, the seed. You need to plant it, and you need to be consistent with it. You need to feed that plant until it grows, and then money will start growing on the trees. But if you fail, as in you don't feed it and you don't be consistent with it, then you're gonna fail. You're gonna be steady, nice, and then it's not gonna go well, guys. So guys, with this method, you have to be consistent with it. Okay, so guys, hope you like the product, and hope you guys help us and we will help you. And thank you very much for watching this. All the best, guys. Thank you.